or something.
Okay, you wanna order chicken wings? I do think they have pizza here. Let's find pizza. It's Big Manila.
Pizza!
Where?
Pizza! Pizza!
You don't want corn cheese?
Spongy.
Oh, let's eat here. Let's eat here. Let's show mine.
Of course I want to know what chunk Andre is. What?
Okay, you can order pizza.
You gotta be kidding me. Fine, at least you should let me choose what I want.
There are 3 cheese pizza. Do you want that?
Hold on. I still gotta cure my thirst. For God's sake. Where the hell is the thing that's gonna cure my bottled water? Alright, now we're gonna test my social skills.
I need a fan. Bro, the Philippines needs to be deleted.
The Philippines heat needs to be deleted. The heat needs to go. Like, can we just chuck it?
I wish it was winter.
Okay, you order so we can eat.
I wish it was winter, bro. That's my dream.
Let's put my social anxiety skills to the test. See if my social skills work.
You order 3 cheese pizza.
And bottled water.
Yes.
3 bottled waters.
Okay,
2.
Okay, 2.
Alright, 2 bottled water. 2 bottles de agua. No sipping for boxing, Andre. No sipping for boxing, Andre. Can I have 3 cheese pizza and bottled water? 2. 2 bottled water.
Tatlong tubig, tsaka
Oh, right. It's only gibberish here.
12 inch 3 cheese pizza.
Magaling